Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge popsicles. Heat heavy cream and sugar gently, add chopped chocolate and whisk until glossy, then stir in vanilla and salt. Chill the mixture until cool, pour into molds leaving a small headspace, then insert sticks and freeze solid. Use airtight containers to store, and let popsicles sit briefly at room temperature before serving for easier release. In this video, I will show how to make fudge popsicles. For flavors, dissolve instant espresso or matcha in a little hot cream before combining with chocolate, or fold in crushed cookies for crunch. Try a caramel ribbon by spooning warm caramel into molds and swirling gently, or stir in nut butter for richness. Taste and adjust sweetness before chilling, and experiment with extracts like orange or mint for bright notes. In this video, I will show how to make fudge popsicles. To get a smooth, fudgy texture, use full fat cream and avoid boiling the chocolate mixture, which can seize. Cool the base fully and consider a quick chill in the freezer before adding sticks to prevent sinking. Strain if bits remain, and tap molds to release air bubbles. Store popsicles flat in airtight containers for best shape and minimal freezer burn.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.